Hello, so today we will be looking at higher order components in React. So a lot of the online tutorials and videos or materials that I've seen are about on classes, and so I wanted to make one on functional components and just do a quick run through of what React HOCs are. By the way, just to give some context, there is good reason why a lot of the examples online on HOCs are for class-based components. It is because HOCs are really useful before the era of functional components. However, when after the functional components came out, there's such things as custom hooks. So you can pretty much use custom hooks to achieve the same thing. However, for the context of today's video, we will just be looking at how HOCs can help us write more concise code. Okay, jumping right in. We have this app which returns the card wrapper component, which is over here. And in card wrapper, we have a list of items. We can see that it has name, price, and quantity, right? So yeah. Okay. We have also this inside this card wrapper component, a card summary component which takes in props list of item, which is over here, and then it returns us makes some calculation. It loops through each item and then calculates the total price by adding up the price times quantity. And then we call this calculate total function that gives us this total price, which is correctly printed out here on this panel. Yeah. Okay, so now where does HOC come in? So HOC is basically like, you can think of it as abstracting out some functionality so you don't have to keep on repeating the same code again and again. So for example, this is card summary. Inside card summary, it has calculate total function. However, let's say some other component also needs this calculate total function as well, right? Then what do? We can actually, instead of repeatedly doing this calculate total function again and again and again, we can comment it out and abstract it out and put it in a HOC. So I have it pre-typed here. Let us do this here. So we can see that this calculate HOC over here, it takes in a component and a list of item. Obviously, we'll have to edit this line correspondingly. Edit this line as well by doing this h1, passing in this calculate total HOC. Okay, so it's erroring out because we have not yet edited this card summary component yet. So let us just talk about this HOC first. So this HOC takes in a component, we call it card summary, and a list of items. It calculates, and then it returns a component and it passes it the prop of total price, right? So now let us edit this card summary component, because look at this HOC. It returns us this total price, right? So now we edit this prop as total price. And there we have it. The same total price shows up using this HOC. And then because this HOC is kind of like a generic HOC, you can pass it in different components and different lists of items to do the calculation as well. Alright, so I hope this video made things a little bit clearer. and thank you for watching.